Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Sekhukhune United have officially appointed Cedric Kaze as the new head coach. And they released a statement which says, Sekhukhune United Football Club is pleased to announce the appointment of Cedric Kaze as the club's new head coach. Coach Kaze brings a wealth of experience, having worked within the Burundi national team structures and at the renowned FC Barcelona Academy in Canada, and as part of a successful Young Africans SC technical team in Tanzania. His expertise in player development, team building, and high-performance football makes him a valuable addition to Sekhukhune United. The 46-year-old holds a bachelor's degree in sports science, CAF A, and German Football Federation coaching licenses, and played a key role in guiding Young Africans to the final of the CAF Confederations Cup in 2023. As the club continues to pursue its ambition, we are delighted to welcome Coach Kaze to Sekhukhune United. His extensive football background, proven leadership, and valuable understanding of the Betway Premiership and the South African football landscape give us great confidence as we look ahead, said CEO Jonas Malaji. And the statement at the end says, "We warmly welcome our mentor to Babina Noko family and wish him every success in his new role." That's the end of the statement. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Sekhukhune United appointing Cedric Kaze as their new head coach? Are you pleased with this decision? Let me hear your thoughts down below. Sekhukhune United has confirmed that Daniel Cardoso and Ronaldo Leina have left the club this week after their respective options on the contract was not taken. So they are free agents. Cardoso, who's 37 years old, spent 4 seasons at the club after joining from Kaizer Chiefs, and he earned the club's arm belt and featured 126 times across all competitions for Babina Noko. Meanwhile, Ricardo Leina comes as a major surprise as one of the top performers in the league during the 2025-26 season, where he broke into the senior national team setup. Leina joined the club in 2023 from Maritzburg United, and the Ikamva Academy product went on to feature 45 times for the club, earning 15 clean sheets. Now let me hear your thoughts. Where do you think Ronaldo Leina will sign? Because we know that he is wanted by the big 3 teams in the Betway Premiership. So do you think that he will sign for one of them? Definitely Sekhukhune United made a blunder by not signing him. Because even if they were selling him for money, they were going to sell him for a substantial amount. Now, a team that will get him on a free will be getting a bargain. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.